So, good morning sa inyong lahat ng nakikinig ngayon, lalo na sa ating mga bisita, sa ating mga first-timers. Okay, bago ko i-share sa inyo ang Uno Premier, meron na ako kaunting favor. Okay, have an open mind, have an open heart. Kung magustuhan niyo naman yung negosyo, magtutulungan tayo. Pag ayaw niyo naman po, kaibigan pa din po tayo. So, pakinggan nyo lang ng maigi, intindihin nyo ng lubusan, at after nyan is you have to decide for yourself if gagawin mo ba siya. Okay, so, welcome to Uno Premier. Okay, so ang Uno Premier ay na-featured na sa Asian Journal, lalo na yung ating launching doon sa United States of America. But bago yan, papaintindi ko sa inyo na typically tayo, when we receive our income, bawas dyan yung ating mga expenses, ating mga gastusin. Kung ano man yung natira, yan yung magiging savings. So, for example, what if you spend at least 500 pesos per day? In a month, that would mean you spend 15,000 every month. So, sa isang pamilya, syempre, bumibili tayo ng produkto. In option A, what happens is, we buy our products sa tindahan. So, ang tindahan yung kumikita ng profit. Dito sa option B, which is what we want to offer to you, is gagawin mo lang din is bibili ka ng products. Kaso nga lang, bibili ka ngayon sa Uno Premier. Kung mangyari niyan, may perang papasok o may perang babalik sa inyo. And you keep the profit. And the good news about it is you can also purchase products online of better quality, better prices, better products. So you just have to expand your business and help our friends to do the same thing. In this manner, kikita ka ng 200,000 per month or even 1,900,000 every month. And there is so much to earn. So, UNO stands for Unlimited Network of Opportunities. Ang president natin si Sir William Barbo, ang vice president si Herbie Chua, ang chief operations officer Oliver Chua. So, ang UNO po ay nakatanggap ng sobrang dami ng karangalan, lalo na it is the only ISO-certified company here in the Philippines. At the same time, Global Brand and Global Excellence Award. It is the #1 multi-level marketing global company in the Philippines and Asia. So, yung mga produkto natin ay ginagamit na din natin araw-araw gaya ng juice, gaya ng coffee, and then food supplements, toothpaste, and even sabon. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin yung mga produkto natin kasi meron tayong separate product orientation which happens every Wednesday. Pwede niyong tanungin yung taong nag-invite sa inyo sa Zoom conference na to para sa schedule. Okay? Meron na akong produkto na talagang i-share sa inyo kasi sobrang mga lulupit nito. So, Santa 8 Berries is a natural power antioxidant, at the same time anti-aging, and it boosts our immune system. Ito, Legion Cosmetics contains 24 karat gold. Nouvelle is a pure vegetable soap which contains shea butter and collagen. So we have Pro Cardio, which is artery declogger, which is good for those na may mga karamdaman sa puso. Ang NutriFab naman ay pampapayat. So ito yung pinakamalakas nating produkto kasi dami talaga gustong sumeksi. So yung UNO ay nagsisimula sa Pilipinas noong 2007. Noong 2013, nagsimulang mag-expand sa labas ng bansa. Meron tayong Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, Pakistan, United Arab Emirates, at it was able to create 1,000 millionaires in Asia alone. So thereafter, nag-expand sa Nigeria, sa United Kingdom, and kasalukuyan noong June 2015, nag-expand tayo sa United States of America. And ngayon, meron na din tayong opisina sa Qatar and Canada. So, in order to start in the business, you have to get a certain business package. Dito sa package, meron kang mga produkto. At the same time, meron kang international registration, professional online back office, and commission which you can receive via Union Bank or RCBC. You have business tools and materials, videos, trainings, and Zoom forums like this one, mobile application, lifetime discount, and team support. So, ang pangalan ng team natin is Red Lions, handang tumulong sa inyo. So, you get to choose your package. So, the entry level is Platinum, which is 12,500. Potential income every month is 750,000. Premier is 33,600 with a potential income of 1,100,000. Elite is 67,200. Potential income is 1,500,000. Ang global naman is 134,400, which will make you earn 1,900,000. So, paano ba kumikita dito sa Uno Premier? So, gagawin natin ay sistema. So, it is not personality-based, it is not skill-based. Aralin lang natin paano patakbuhin yung sistema. Ang nangyari niyan is kikita tayo ng 200,000 pesos every month. Okay. Paano yan? Through an asset that we already have. Kaya ng Dubai. Ang Dubai dati, sobrang hirap lang na bansa, kaso nga lang, they discovered their asset which is oil. So ngayon, sobrang yaman na. So, tayo, meron tayong asset. So, meron ba kayong 10 na kakilala? Siyempre, sasagutin mo, oo. Yung 10, meron din tigsa 10. Yes, nangyari niyan, 100 na sila. Yung 100, meron din tigsa 10 kilala, 1,000 na. Yung 1,000, meron din tigsa 10, 10,000 na. Yung 10,000, meron din tigsa 10, 100,000 na. Yung 100,000, meron ba din tigsa 10, 1 million na. So that is our asset. We have 1 million connection. From 10, naging 1 million. Di ko sinasabing kilala mo silang lahat, but they are friends of friends of friends of friends. And this system will use that and will multiply it. At the same time, it also follows the concept in Singapore wherein everybody is doing a small thing. Paano naging sobrang linis ng buong bansa? Dahil lahat ng tao, tuwing nakakita ng maliit na basura, tinatapon sa basurahan. Maliit na bagay, kaso nga lang ginagawa ng lahat, kaya ganun ang nangyari sa buong bansa. In our case, lahat tayo magtutulungan, sobrang maliliit na bagay yung gagawin natin, lahat kikita ng malaking pera. So, this system is what we call 4x4 by 100. Again, kung gagawin natin, pwedeng kikitain is 200,000 every month. Unang gawin, sign up with Uno Premier. Start up with the Premier package which is 33,600. After is take time to study. Study the 4 important skills. Number 1 is how to set an appointment. Number 2, how to present the business. Number 3, how to answer objections. And number 4 is how to teach your business partners those 3 skills. Ang tatlo na gagawin natin is we have to look for 4 business partners who wants to seriously earn 200,000. Pang-apat, we have to consume at least 100 points every month. That's equivalent to around 3,000 pesos. Ngayon, tanong, paano ba talaga kita? Sa unang buwan mo, sabihin natin, you found your 4 people. This time, you will earn 12,600 pesos. On your second month, yung 4, naghanap din ng tiga-4, you will earn 28,800. Yung 16, kikitain 12,600. Wait. Yung 16, naghanap din ng tiga-4, nangyari, naging 64, you will earn now 115,200 pesos. Yung 4, they will earn 28,800. Yung 16, they'll earn 12,600. Ang 64, maghahanap din ng tiga-4, nangyari niyan, 256 na. So, you will earn 460,800 pesos. From 4, naging 256. Yung 256, naghanap ng tiga-4, it became 1,024. This time, you'll reach the maximum income which is 1,100,000. Okay? Yung 1,024, naghanap din ng tiga-4, still you will earn the same 1,100,000 pwede naman siguro, tama ba? And then, it's because you have reached the maximum income. So, yung 16, kikitain for 60,000. Yung 64, kikitain 115,000. Yung 256, kikitain 28,800. Yung 1,024, kikitain 12,600. Ano yung punto? Lahat talaga kumikita sa sistema natin. And your income will based on gaano nakalaki yung organization mo. Before we finally end, we have 5 points to consider. Unang-una, what if you suddenly stop? The question is, will you still earn? Okay. Siyempre, kikita ka pa din. Bakit? It's because ang mga tao sa ilalim mo, hindi sila titigil. Unang-una, they also want to earn big money. Second is, alam nila kung paano patatakbuhin yung sistema nila. Again, isimula, you run the system and eventually your system will run the business. Second question, what if you only hit 50% of the maximum income? So, let's say kalahati lang yung hit mo. But the question is, imagine mo, what is 50% of 1,100,000? That's still a very big amount of money, 550,000. What if you only hit 20%, which is a very big failure rate? This time, that's equivalent to 200,000. So, with a 4x4x100 system, your income of 200,000 pesos every month is actually a failure rate. But imagine, you're a rich failure. So, you might also ask, can I do it part-time? Siyempre, you can do it 2 to 3 hours per day. Can I get another 4 aces? Yes, you can sponsor another 4 business partners for as long as yung unang set na 4 mo ay seryosong kumikita na din ng malalaking income. Meaning, huwag ka mag-alala, hindi ka namin iwanan, hindi ka namin pababayaan. So, tutulungan ka talaga namin na kikita ka ng malaki dito sa negosyo. And the best thing about it is you can upgrade to a higher account in order for you to avail higher maximum income. So, sa case sa Elite, instead of just earning 1,100,000 kung Premier, dito sa Elite, 1,500,000. Kung mag-global ka, 1,900,000. Also, that's why we encourage you to start with the Premier package because you will avail of royalty bonus. Meaning, you will earn a certain percentage from the income of the persons you directly sponsor. Diba, hahanap ka ng 4? Supposing after a year, all these 4 are earning now 1,100,000. Automatic, kung ikaw Premier holder, meron kang 5% out of their income. If Elite ka, meron kang 7%. Kung Global ka, meron kang 10%. So that now becomes an effortless income. And finally, in the case something happens to us, God forbid, okay, pumanaw tayo, yung negosyo natin, pwede natin ipamana sa asawa natin o sa mga anak natin. Also, the advantage of Uno Premier as compared sa traditional na system, meron kasing multiple account. Meaning, for example, we have 7 accounts. So, you have different 7 slots, but all to your name. So, meaning, dami mong linya na kailangan mong i-build. So, yung mga tao mo, you have to spread it out in your different legs in order to make you earn. So, hindi mo sila natutulungan talaga ng todo. As contrast to the case sa Uno Premier is, you only have a single account. So, in this case, you only have to build 2 lines A and B. So, if you have other persons that you are sponsoring into the business, gagawin mo lang is lalagay mo sa ilalim ng mga tao mo. Okay? So, that's the advantage of Uno Premier. So, get started today. Huwag sayangin ang oras. Ang pera na nawala, pwedeng kikitain ulit. Kaso nga lang, ang oras na nawala, hindi na dadaan pang muli. So, yun siya ang Uno Premier. So, if may mga tanong kayo, okay, you may chat or also at the same time, you may talk to the person who invited you, who sponsored you into the conference. Maraming salamat sa oras na binigay nyo dito sa negosyo natin, tulungan tayo sa pagyaman.